What's up, Trader's Edge? It's Mark Sebastian, your only option. Today, I'm going to update you on what's happening with SPX, VIX, and bonds, and we're going to talk about how that equates to the most important stock that I'm watching for Thursday and maybe through the rest of the week. We'll also update you on Meta and what happened there. So with that, let's dig in. S&P closed at an all-time high on Wednesday. And what I like about this all-time high is that it is coming with movement sinking. This yellow line represents how much the S&P 500 is moving every day. It is down to about 50 points. So it is now moving at a clip of less than about 0.8% on a daily basis. Implied volatility is remaining low here. The S&P is starting to act like, hey, we're okay with this. VIX may be even more informative. VIX movement is slowing down. The VIX is just off its low for the year. That low for the year was from the 14th. That was obviously coming into a long weekend. I believe we're going to eclipse that low by the end of the week. So we're continuing to see sinking volatility. That futures term structure, which really dictates, hey, are we going to continue to rally? Are we a little overbought, oversold? This is what we like to see. It's called contango. The spread between the cash and that front month future at 30 days is about 1 3/4. That's perfectly normal, almost perfect, and tells us that we're in a normal situation. What we should expect is the VIX to pull down, to move lower, and the futures to fall with them. This could be a epically bad month for the volatility ETPs like UVIX and VXX. Now, I want to update you on Meta. On Friday, I told you Meta was the most important stock to watch. I said it looked like it might be topping out. And then on Monday, on Tuesday, we saw Meta start the day a little bit lower and then slowly just get worked. And then we saw some follow through continue on Wednesday, and Meta closed just above $700. It's at a key spot here. What I would note is that the bottom, on the bottom, implied volatility did start to fall here. So could be our buying spot. Now, kind of looking similar. I like the bull market case. I like the fact that the 493 other stocks in the S&P are moving higher. And when we have that happen, what that typically means is money's going to come out of Apple. Why? Apple is a safe haven. We've seen Apple implied volatility really fall off. It maybe has a little further to go. Apple has had a nice little move off the bottom, but is now looking a little bit toppy. I'm looking for a retest of the 50-day moving average, maybe the 100, or a test of that 100. I feel pretty confident Apple is ready for a pullback. How am I going to play that? I want to play short dated. I'm going to be looking at the Apple February 28th, 242.5 put. It cost me about $2.05, maybe $2 on Thursday. And I'm going to be looking to get out of this thing by Friday or Monday, looking to make a quick double on those puts. So, folks, there is kind of the overall landscape of the market, what we see out of the S&P, what we see out of the VIX, and a little update on Meta. If you took that short, probably time to take some money. And Apple, we're looking to set up another short. All right, folks, I hope you have a great day and a great week, and I will talk to you very soon. And by that, I mean tomorrow.